So I just finished my last day.
Just took my last final of Spanish 411 and walking to my bike, it just started raining. I usually have my cameras with me ready, so I'm gonna record a little bit. And I have a flat back tire. It should have more grip when it's flat.
Ain't no grip.
Никогда не отступай от своей мечты, не теряй веры в себя, главное верить, и тогда ты исполнишь свою мечту.
It's scary slippery, because the back tire is stupid ball. 60 miles, third gear again. Oh, you wheel it in the rain. Scary, dog. What's that, homie? Ain't cool. That's some freeway burnouts, rolling burnouts. Damn, dog. What's that? So ball tire in rain is no joke. I cannot see, ain't that, homie? I'm gonna try to do it fourth gear. Oh shit, I saw 160. Wanted to throw me off. My Tourette syndrome is waking up. Hey dog, first. Oh, I've lost it. Second. Okay. Third. Oh, eyes. Can't see anything. Can't see nothing. It doesn't matter. Let me break traction here. That's kind of scarier because it's not a freeway. The road is pretty narrow, so if I slide, I mean, I have my race suit. My race suit is so much fun, dog. What's up? But it's still. Okay, let me try fourth gear. Break you, traction. I will break you, traction. Traction, please. Let's catch up with this car. Oh, you wheelie, homie. What's up? Look, if I even burn out, nobody can see. See, I'm doing a burnout now at 2,000 RPM. Amazing. Take off. Wheelie. What? Because I was smelling rubber, but then go warm up the tire. Traction control. Oh, wheelie. Let me break it. Break it again. This boy being stupid, huh? Hey, wheelie. I guess that back tire is really hot now. Okay, let me first gear, let me clutch it. Wheelie. I can always break it on the white line. Oh yeah. I will break you on those letters. Amazing. Little stoppy. Nope. Oh, slipped. I would have slept if it would have slipped. Sleep. Get him, boy. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him, boy.